So I'm in the pre-op hold of Visage Surgical Institute. I'm getting ready to have my NeoGraft procedure today. Typically, patients will be given a little bit of Ativan for comfort and relaxation, but since I'm going to be documenting our case today, I'm going to show you where the temporal recession is that I'm going to have enhanced by our NeoGraft team, and hopefully you'll get to see more a little later on. The first step as we're getting prepared for this is to shave the donor sites. The local anesthetic and it was really easy. There's a couple little pinches, but my back of my head completely numb. I feel very comfortable, and we'll continue. Completely numb in the back, really no pain at all. This is so far been super easy. So far, the extraction process can't feel a thing. I'm completely numb, and you just feel a little bit of pressure, but a little vibration, and that's it. We're just at a little bit of a halfway point of extraction, and I feel great. I did take one Ativan just for comfort. Patient position is very good, very easy, and as our NeoGraft team is looking at the grafts, I'm just kind of relaxing. So all the grafts have been harvested from the donor site, and you can see from the back. Actually feels fine. I'm completely numb still, with no discomfort. I was very comfortable on the table, and the NeoGraft team and our practice has been wonderful. So this is so far so good. Bandaged up, as you can see, the donor site, while our NeoGraft team prepares the actual grafts into micros, minis, and the 3 follicular graft, larger grafts, essentially. So it's kind of break time now. Gonna just take a little bit of a snack break, and we'll be back in a little bit. So as you can see, I'm now getting prepared for the recipient site. We're getting some local anesthetic injected just around the below the line that was demarcated for transplantation. So the recipient sites have been complete, and it's actually fairly smooth. No discomfort whatsoever.